Agbor Ashumanyi Ako is the medical director and co-founder of GiftedMom and one of the 2019 Oslo Business for Peace Award honorees. GiftedMom is improving the quality of life for pregnant women and new mothers in Africa by giving them access to life-saving information through their smartphones.
I believe that through GiftedMom, it was a means to reach out to many, many more people. Just sitting in the office and consulting, I knew I couldn't achieve my vision or my goal, and that was why it was important for me to join this company and take it up to the next level. And I'm glad of where we are today and where we are heading to.
After finishing medical school, Dr. Agbor started working at a public hospital, enticed by the promise of stable employment. For a young doctor who believed in preventative care and large-scale solutions, he soon realized that a traditional role wasn't enough for him. He wanted to do more than sit at the hospital every day waiting for people to get sick and need help. Around the same time, Elaine Teff and Dr. Tornku Conrad were laying the groundwork for what would become GiftedMom. They had just seen 17 infant deaths in 1 week, all within one rural area of Cameroon. They found that women in the region lacked sufficient information about infant care. So GiftedMom started as a pilot program to give women essential healthcare information. When Dr. Agbor heard about GiftedMom, he was excited because it was very much in line with his own goals for the future of healthcare.
I saw the achievement Elaine Teff had with GiftedMom in terms of developing a new solution that was going to help mothers. So I was very curious to go towards him and ask him that what is it all about? And I noticed that it was something that was in line with what I had been thinking of doing in terms of preventive medicine. And I believe that prevention is key in our health sector, and it's an area that has been well neglected. And it's an aspect that is very important, especially for pregnant women and nursing mothers.
1 year later, the service had reached over 1,200 pregnant women across 15 communities. Now they have 150,000 users.
Digital technologies play a very huge role in providing women with information. I take, for the example, the cases of apps like Facebook and WhatsApp, where many people spend a lot of their time on it. How can we use this media, how can we use this forum to be able to give women the information that they need?
Sub-Saharan Africa is the fastest growing mobile market today. By using smartphones as a tool to help women, GiftedMom has improved pregnancy-related checkup attendance by 80% in some regions of Cameroon. Vaccination turnouts have also increased by up to 90%. Now, GiftedMom is on a mission to help more people across Africa.
We have as vision or short-term, long-term goal in the next 5 years to reach 10 million women across Africa. So to us, this is just like the starting point. So I'll say it's a starting point for us to be able to reach many, many more women, because we believe that there are many out there that are still dying because of lack of information.
The Business for Peace Foundation honors Dr. Agbor Ashumanyi Ako for his business-worthy efforts to create a world free of maternal and infant mortality.